Hi guys, welcome to ATA Module 5 Tshirt Project. Like always, we're gonna start from walk, local, source, main, Java, com, ATA, and menu. After that, I say create and initialize a private string array with the name called products, which contain the following string. So we're gonna create a private string and an array called products with this thing like crew nav, vneck. You can just copy from here and paste this on the left. After that, add a private white print product method in the menu class. So we're gonna go ahead and add a print product, right? So print product, it should be white print menu. After that, you're gonna go down there and add private, let's see, private white print product. So we're gonna add private white print product method in the menu class. Means like the menu class is like this menu class or this one. It means that one. After that, okay, in the method, first add a print statement as a label for the product list. The label should be products, right? So add a label mean we're gonna print out print statement mean we're gonna print out so system.out.print line, and then we're gonna add this products. We can copy paste from right to left. And right after that, add a for loop that print each product on a new line. So each line should start with an ID. Use the index of the array as the product ID. The printer product list with each label should look like this. So we're gonna add for loop, initialization I equal to 0, I less than product dot length, because we are talking about products, right? So product dot length, because we want to show like krona, vneck. That's why we add this one right here, string product array, right? That's why we're gonna call product dot length from here. So product dot length I plus plus, and then we're gonna print out system dot out dot print line. Each line should start with an ID, so we're gonna put ID colon. We put the paper right here so that it's gonna be look like on the right side here. ID paper plus I, right? Is the index of the array as the product ID plus the colon and the paper. The I is the number. If it's a 1, it's gonna be 1. After that, there's a colon, and then the paper is gonna be right here, and plus product I. So that's gonna be it. Next, you will need to add an if statement to the menu class, execute menu. So we're gonna go find execute menu right here. It's gonna be up there. So it's gonna be execute menu, right? So adding functionality to let the user make more choice. Use the helper method we have provided to you. Get next integer from user to collect the menu option that the user select. The if statement should be written between the printing of the menu, print menu statement, and the termination of the application exit statement. So it means this if menu should written between the exit statement and the print statement, right? And then if the shopper select option 1 from the menu, write a method call to print product. Okay, let's go ahead. So first of all, we're gonna write between print menu and exit. So it's gonna be underneath the print menu. We're gonna start from integer option equal to, we're gonna use the helper method right here. So integer option equal to get next integer from user. And then if option 1 equal 1, we're gonna print the product. After that, we're gonna print the menu, right? Or we have not only option 1, we have like option 1 means this one, like right here on the right side. Option 1, if customer select option 1, it's gonna be list product, right? After that, we're gonna print out, after listing the product, we're gonna print out this whole menu. That's what it means. If customer choose the option 3, it's gonna like find product, right? So if they choose the option 3, system out print line, enter the item to search for. This gonna prompt to the screen. So for that matter, let me see. Okay. Okay, it's say run, right? So I won't do that. I'm gonna go straight to right here to line. Okay, line this line. If the shopper select option 3 from the menu from the user for the name of the product with the following text. So we're gonna just copy paste, enter the item to search for to on the left side. And then we have provided a private helper method for you to call to get the next line of user, and the method is called get next string line from user. So we're gonna call the method and pass is return value to a local string variable such as item to file like so, and it give us like string item to file. So we can just copy this line and then this line and put it on the left side, and then integer product ID. So call the, is they call the find product, right? They call the find product method you created above. Okay, so in order to call the find product method, I want you to go to this once again, add find product method that has a string such as, we have to add the find product method. It should be underneath the print product method. So we're gonna add private integer find product method. It has a string such that parameter and it should return an integer. That's why I put integer right here. And then the parameter should be string such as. So for the in this method, add a for loop to iterate through products, right? You should use an if statement to check whether such that is the same as the name of the current product, and if so, return the index of the found product. When a product is not found, return -1. So for integer I equal to 0, I less than product dot length I plus plus, if such dash dot equals product ID, if it's equal, we're gonna return I. We're gonna return I mean we're gonna return the index of the found product, right? If it's not found, otherwise when a product isn't found, return -1. That's what we do here. And then we're gonna call the find product method, right? let's go back to the execute menu. Okay, so let's call the find product method you created a basis item to find as the argument. So we call the find product method here and basis item to find as the argument, and use the return value of the method to print the name of the item and its product ID. Name of the item, integer product ID, right? And its product ID, which is the index return from item to file. That's why we put here product ID. And here is an XML found crooner, which was at index 0 in the product array. At index 0 is a crooner, right? So crooner was found and its product ID is 0. When a product could not be found, find product return minus print the following. That product was not found. After that, you have just one more thing to worry about, right? So important detail recovery, the menu should be reprinted after every iteration. That's why we print the menu here. Like if option 1, we print menu, option 3, we print menu, else we print the menu. That's what it means. So after listing product or searching for a product, make sure you open the menu so that the shopper may always be aware of what selection are available to them. If you don't do this, your task will continue to fail. So the easier thing to do at this point is to another print menu method called right before exit in execute menu. That's what it means in line 51. And but make sure you don't print the menu if the user choose to exit, right? If user exit, then we should let them exit. Otherwise, the test will still fail. For example, you might add an else if to handle twice you differently. Think about how to so okay. Let's go back here. Identify. So if product ID is like -1, right? Where is it at? Gonna be right here. So is for the five product is like -1. So product ID is -1. System out print. That product was not found, and then we're gonna print the menu again. Or else system out print system out job system out job print line product ID. If it is found, if they make the correct choice, was found, and its product ID is, we're gonna print out the product ID, and then we're gonna print the menu, and then after that, we're gonna exit. So let's recap. So public void execute menu, we're gonna print the menu, and integer option, we're gonna get the next integer from user. If they select the option 1, we're gonna print the product, right? Because the option 1 is, let me see. Option 1 is list product. So if they say, hey, list product, we're gonna print the product and we're gonna print the menu. And if it's option D, choose the option 3. It's mean find products. We're gonna be like enter the item to search for. If they enter the item number like like 2, we're gonna print out Hulu was found like down there. So if the product ID is like -1, the product was not exit, was not found. I guess they enter the, like ID like 3, we're gonna be like, oh, both neck was found, and his product ID is 3, something like that. I think that was all of it. And then you're gonna just run uh, run the run walkthrough, right? run workflow, Step02, and then and you might want to do like a static check to run workflow static checks. After that, you can check like run workflow static checks. After that, you might want to keep pushing. I mean git add dot, right? Git add dot, and then git commit minus and then you code like, hey, Step02 completed. After that, it's gonna be like git push. I think that would be it. If you don't do, like git push and stuff, they won't give you a point. That would be it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.